So here's a report from Nielsen saying that people are using the internet more through their smartphones than they are through their desktops, their PCs. And if you look here in the article, it says that 86% of the usage is coming through apps and only 14% through the web browser on their phones. So it's going to be really important to have a mobile app going forward, and I'm going to show you how to set one of those up at a site called buildfire.com in just a second. Google just added a new feature to the webmaster tools on mobile usability, and it was kind of a signal that mobile usability is going to be a ranking factor in terms of where you show up in the search results going forward. And actually Google just launched a mobile-friendly label in the mobile search results. So when you see your website on the list here, it'll have something that says mobile-friendly right before the date and the description of the website. If people see that, they're going to be much more likely to click on it, knowing that they're not going to have to look at very small text and things are going to be hard to click on. It's going to be set up for a mobile device. It'll improve your click-through rate quite a bit. And Google just set up a mobile-friendly test. So you can enter your URL, maybe your home page in here, and you click Analyze, and it'll tell you whether the page is mobile-friendly. So here's the website I was talking about, buildfire.com. And you can either build an app yourself, or you can pay somebody on the site to do it for you. So I'm going to take you through the pricing plans here. There is a free version. It's somewhat limited. You do get an HTML5 web app. You get basic support, updates, but you only get 200 web app installs a month and only 1,000 visits per month. And then you have the $49 a month version, which gets you unlimited visits, unlimited downloads, automatic updates, no setup fees, and they're going to submit your app to all of the app stores. And then the enterprise version if you are an enterprise. And then if you want to do it yourself, there's of course courses on HTML5 apps on Udemy. And I believe there are some free ones here, but you can pay them to do it for you. And I think if you don't have a mobile app in late 2015, you're going to be missing out on a lot of potential customers. So this is definitely an investment you want to make. The number of people who are using the internet on their phones is increasing exponentially. And right now, people are spending 34 minutes on their smartphones on the internet for every 27 minutes on the desktop, and that ratio is only going to increase in favor of mobile phones in late 2015, 2016, and beyond.